Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Drive files to another. Let's get started. So for this video, you have to ensure that you're logged into two separate Google Drive accounts. So as you can see there, here's my one account, and then the other one is a separate account. So we're going to go back to the main one, and now I'm going to transfer this file or folder. So if I go to the top here, you're going to click on the downward triangle, and then you go to click on share, and then share again. Now it says share Google Photos. So you're going to need to type in the email address of the person that you're trying to send the link or the file to. So here I've selected this email. So now you're going to go to the right side here and then press on the downward triangle. And then make sure that this file is on editor mode. So not viewer or commenter. Because if you choose these ones, then the people that you send in the file to will not be able to have full access and control over the file and link. So make sure it is on editor. Organize, add, and edit files. So I'm going to click on that. So now you're going to go to the other Google Drive accounts in which you sent the file to. So now if you go to this option which says shared with me, you can see that the folder has been transferred to my other Google Drive accounts, which says Google Photos. So now if you just want to download it, you're going to press on these three dots over here and then click download. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.